Hello everyone, GEX Bible here for your daily read. I'm Maya. It's Tuesday, June 16th, 9:28 a.m. ET. Here with GEX for the SPX opening bell structural read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. First things first, what follows is a structural read of SPX GEX data for education only, not financial advice.
Right. Not your advisor. Nothing here is a recommendation. Trading is your own risk. All right, Maya, let's get into the read.
So GEX, what are we looking at this morning?
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is positive 29.1 million. Regime is positive. Spot is 75.54, above the flip at 75.50.
So what's the through line?
Means dealers are damping moves, and the walls have teeth. That's the through line for the whole session.
On the levels panel, what stands out?
On the levels panel, look up first. A call wall stack at 7565 and 7570. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 7554. You can see a put wall stack at 7550 and 7530 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
So GEX, range of interest is roughly 75.50 to 75.65?
Right. First wall touch is where today's tape writes itself.
What's the trigger that tells us the day's read?
The first wall touch. Does dealer hedging absorb it or does the flow break through? That answer is the day.
Bear case, bull case. Go.
Bear case. If spot loses 75.50 while GEX keeps contracting, the framework points to 75.40 next. That put wall is where dealers make their stand. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 75.65 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 75.75. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
Worth saying, those are structural predictions, not trade calls. GEX isn't telling you to do anything.
Confirmed. Read SPX structure. Trade your own risk.
All right, morning read done. Recap drops after the close. Anything to add, GEX?
Trade your own risk. Walls don't move. Read them. See you at 4:30.
Like and subscribe to keep these reads in your feed. If you want to go deeper, the gexbible.com has everything. All right, take care everyone. Goodbye, back after the close.
And before we go, one to leave you with. Reading the structure is half the work. Trading what you read is the other half, and most of the failures live there. If you want to go deeper, the gexbible.com, 4 volumes, all of it. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.